Hello friends! Welcome to our creative sanctuary. Today, we're going to embark on a wonderful journey together, a journey that will take us deep into the heart of creativity and imagination. We'll explore the vibrant world of colors, where each hue tells a story and every shade holds a secret. Before us lies a blank canvas, a world of endless possibilities waiting to be discovered. We'll transform this blank space into a beautiful flower camp, a happy place filled with vibrant blooms and the gentle touch of nature. Just imagine the colors blending together to create a masterpiece. Picture a field of flowers bathed in the warm glow of the sun, each petal reflecting the light in a unique way. We can almost feel the gentle breeze and smell the sweet fragrance of the blossoms. The delicate dance of the flowers in the wind is like a symphony of nature. Remember, there are no mistakes here, only happy accidents. Each stroke of the brush is a step towards creating something beautiful and unique. So, let's pick up our brushes and let the joy of painting fill our hearts. Feel the excitement as the colors come to life on the canvas. Are you ready to create something beautiful together? Let's begin this magical journey and see where our creativity takes us. With each stroke, we bring our vision to life, one color at a time. Mixing colors is like blending emotions, creating new shades that express our innermost feelings. The palette is our playground, where we experiment and discover new possibilities. As we add details to our flowers, we give them character and personality. Each petal, each leaf, tells a part of our story. Stepping back to admire our work, we see the bigger picture. It's a reflection of our journey, a testament to our creativity and passion. Finally, we sign our masterpiece, leaving our mark on this world of color and imagination. This is our creation, a piece of our soul captured on canvas. Thank you for joining me on this artistic adventure. Remember, the canvas is always blank at the start, but with a little imagination and a lot of heart, we can create something truly beautiful. Until next time, keep painting and keep dreaming.
Before we start, let's gather our friends, the tools that will help us bring our vision to life. Each tool has its own unique role, and together, they form the foundation of our creative journey. We'll need our trusty brushes, big and small, ready to make bold strokes and delicate details. The large brushes will help us cover broad areas quickly, while the smaller ones will allow us to add intricate details and fine lines. Each brush is like a friend with a different personality, contributing to the overall masterpiece. Our palette awaits, eager to be filled with a rainbow of acrylic colors. The palette is where our colors will mix and mingle, creating new shades and tones that will bring our artwork to life. It's a place of endless possibilities where creativity knows no bounds. We'll need our trusty titanium white, of course, and some warm yellows, vibrant reds, and cool blues. These primary colors will be the building blocks of our palette, allowing us to mix and create a wide range of hues. Titanium white will help us lighten colors and add highlights, while the other colors will provide the richness and depth we need. And don't forget the greens, all shades, from the bright greens of new leaves to the deep forest greens. Green is a versatile color that can represent nature, growth, and harmony. By having a variety of greens at our disposal, we can capture the beauty and diversity of the natural world in our artwork. And of course, we can't forget our canvas. The canvas is our stage, our playground, our blank slate. It's where our ideas will take shape and come to life. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is our imagination. It sits there patiently, a blank slate ready to receive our creative energy. The canvas is like a silent partner, waiting for us to make the first move. It's a space where we can express ourselves freely and explore new ideas. Now, let's make some art. With our tools gathered and our canvas ready, it's time to let our creativity flow. Each brush stroke is a step on our artistic journey, and with each stroke, we bring our vision closer to reality. Let's embrace the process, enjoy the journey, and create something beautiful together. We always begin with the sky. It's the backdrop to our flower camp, a vast expanse full of possibilities. We'll start with a soft, gentle blue, like a whisper of color across the canvas. Using a large brush, we'll gently blend the blue across the top of the canvas, creating a smooth and even gradient. We'll add a touch of white to the blue, creating a lighter hue near the horizon. Remember, let your brush strokes be light and airy, just like the clouds that drift across the sky. Our sky's looking good, but let's add some depth and dimension. We'll use a clean, dry brush to gently blend the colors, creating a soft transition between the blue of the sky and the white of the horizon. Now let's add some clouds. We'll use a small amount of white paint and a light touch, dabbing the brush onto the canvas to create fluffy, ethereal clouds. See how the sky comes alive with just a few brush strokes? It's like we can almost feel the warmth of the sun on our skin. Section 5. The first signs of life. Our flowers begin to bloom. This is where our canvas starts to come alive, where the colors begin to dance, and the forms start to take shape. It's a magical moment, one that every artist cherishes. With the sky complete, we can almost hear the whispers of color from the flowers below. The sky sets the stage, providing a serene backdrop for the vibrant blooms that are about to emerge. It's like the calm before the storm, a moment of stillness before the explosion of color. Let's start with a simple daisy. The daisy is a symbol of purity and innocence, a perfect flower to begin our journey. Its simplicity is deceptive, as it requires a delicate touch to capture its essence. We'll use a small round brush and a bright sunny yellow for the center of the flower. This yellow will be the heart of our daisy, radiating warmth and joy. It's important to get this part right, as it sets the tone for the entire flower. Then, we'll use a slightly larger brush and a pure white to create the petals around the center. These petals should be soft and delicate, like the wings of a butterfly. Each stroke should be gentle, almost like a whisper on the canvas. Remember to keep your brush strokes loose and flowing, just like the petals of a real daisy. This will give your flower a natural, lifelike appearance. Don't worry about making each petal perfect. Nature is full of imperfections, and that's what makes it beautiful. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brush sizes and shapes to create a variety of flower shapes and sizes. This is your chance to let your creativity run wild. Try different techniques, mix colors, and see what happens. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover about your own artistic style. Each flower you paint will be a unique expression of your creativity, a testament to your artistic journey. Mixing colors is an essential part of the process. By blending different shades, you can create a more dynamic and vibrant composition. Don't be afraid to mix colors directly on the canvas for a more spontaneous effect. This can add depth and richness to your painting, making it more engaging and visually interesting. As you add the final touches to your flowers, take a moment to step back and look at your work. Notice how the colors interact, how the shapes complement each other. This is the time to make any adjustments to refine your composition. Remember, art is a process, and each step brings you closer to your vision. And there you have it, our flowers in full bloom. Each stroke, each color, each detail has come together to create a beautiful, vibrant scene. It's a testament to your patience, your creativity, and your passion for art. So take a moment to appreciate your work, to celebrate your achievement. You've brought a piece of nature to life on your canvas, and that's something truly special. Section 6. Petals of Color, a Symphony of Hues. Our daisies are lovely, but let's add some more color to our flower camp. We can use reds, oranges, purples, pinks, any color that brings you joy. We'll add some vibrant poppies with their delicate, crepe paper-like petals. And how about some cheerful sunflowers? Their faces turn towards the sun. Remember, there are no limits to what we can create. Let your imagination run wild and fill your canvas with a beautiful symphony of colors. Section 7. Bringing in the green's lush foliage takes shape. Our flowers need some leafy companions. We'll use a variety of green hues to create a lush and verdant landscape. We can use a fan brush to create the soft, feathery texture of ferns and grasses. And how about some larger leaves, like those from a majestic oak or a graceful willow tree? Remember to vary the shades of green, adding depth and dimension to your foliage. Section 8. Light and shadow, adding depth and dimension. Our flower camp is looking good, but let's add some depth and dimension with light and shadow. We'll use a darker shade of green to create shadows under the flowers and leaves. We'll also use a lighter shade of green to highlight the areas where the sunlight hits. This will give our painting a sense of volume and make the flowers and foliage really pop off the canvas. Section 9. Final touches, a little sparkle and shine. Our flower camp is almost complete, but let's add a few final touches. We can use a small brush and some white paint to add highlights to the petals of the flowers, making them shimmer and shine. We can also add some dewdrops to the leaves, reflecting the light like tiny jewels. Section 10. Stepping back. Admiring our masterpiece. Let's step back and admire our work. Our blank canvas has been transformed into a beautiful flower camp, bursting with color and life. Can you feel the warmth of the sun and the gentle breeze as you gaze at your painting? Section 11. The joy of creation, a gift for the soul. Painting is more than just putting colors on a canvas, it's about tapping into our creativity, expressing ourselves, and creating something beautiful from the heart. Remember, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents, and the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the journey. Until next time, happy painting.